I got it in my eye and I've never done it before. Ow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming this peachy bronzy eye look for you guys, and I think this look is just perfect for prom, an event, or like every day if you're like me and you're that extra. So if you guys would like to know how I got this eye look, then keep on watching and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because I need more people for my channel. I shouldn't say that. And I'm a loser and I don't have many subscribers. You're not supposed to keep going. So if you'd like to watch me create this look, then keep on watching. So the first product I'm going to be using to start off this eye look is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to be applying this to my eyelids and blending it out as a base. I'm applying this concealer to my eye and I'm blending it out with a beauty blender. And applying concealer to your eyelid really just ensures that your eyeshadow will stay on your eyes and it won't crease or fade away throughout the day. Next, I'm going to be setting my eyelids using the Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to tap some into the lid. I'm taking the powder and setting the concealer that I previously applied just to make sure the eyeshadow goes on smoothly and doesn't bunch up. Now I'm taking the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to be going into a transition shade, Musk, on my Morphe E23 fluffy blending brush. I'm blending this shade into my crease as a transition shade and building the color up as needed. It really depends on how dark you want your eye look to be for how much product you use. Going back into the same Desert Dusk palette, I'm going to be going into the shade Eden, and I'm going to be blending this in the same areas as the shade Musk. And I'm blending this right over top of Musk just to get a little bit more peachiness into the eye look so that it will blend in nicely with the pinks. After I've applied all of my transition shades, I'm going to be going in with my Sephora No. 19 Pro Tapered Crease Brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be sort of adding a more pinky tone to the eye, so I'm going to be using the shade Bon Fresco, and I'm really focusing this shade below the other two that I used on my eyes because I want there to be a strong purple and pink tone to this eye look. To deepen up my crease and my outer V, I'm going to be using the shade Antique Bronze, which is a more purpley bronzy shade, and I really just think this completes the look and adds such a pink hue to the eye. I'm focusing this shade right in the outer V of my eye to really get that smoky halo effect, and I'm just using windshield wiper motions to thoroughly blend it because it does have shimmer in it, and I'm building more up in the outer V. For my lid shade, I'm going to be going into the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and this is one of my all-time faves. Has so many shades, and I'm going to focus on a pinky shade, Obsessed, which is a very shimmery pinky champagne color, and I'm going to be applying this with my finger because I feel like finger application on the lid applies the shadow evenly and provides more pigment. Applying this only to the inner third of my eye, or maybe the inner half of my eye. I don't want to bring it out into the crease shade that we already blended. And I feel like these Morphe shadows really apply best with a finger. They almost have a wet consistency to them, and when using your finger they just apply very nice and even. Now I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone using the shade Beam from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and then I'm going to apply my eyeliner and mascara, and I will be back with you guys. So this is the final eye look. If you enjoyed watching my tutorial and you'd like to see more makeup tutorials like this or more beauty videos, then stay tuned and leave me some feedback in the comments and let me know how I'm doing. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.